Welcome to Earlybird, your guide to the early years. Think of Earlybird as a parent's best friend, helping you play better, stress less, and stay resilient during those tough times. It's here for you when you need play ideas, developmental milestones, and strategies to tackle some of your biggest parenting challenges. Earlybird is designed to make you feel happier and more confident as a parent. Start by checking out the Home tab. It will recommend fresh ideas for you to try each day based on the ages of your kids. The home screen is also an access point for developmental milestones, articles, and workshops. Activities are what we're known for, and we have hundreds to choose from. Browse featured activities, activities by subject, or pick a theme like letter identification to narrow it down. Our activities target foundational skills. They are low prep and use materials you have around the house. Some activities will have printable PDFs, but there are usually no print options as well. We'll keep track of the number of activities you complete. And if you have a photo of the activity, you can upload it too. Here in the U tab, you can view your stats, kids, photos, and saved activities. If you're interested in developmental milestones, click the flag. Toggle between your kids to review the milestones and check off skills. We encourage you to review both current and previous milestones to make sure your kids are on track. Check out the activities that will build or strengthen those skills based on your response, yes or not yet. With so much to explore, Earlybird is your guide to just about everything in the early years. Kids learn through play, and Earlybird gives you the inspiration to create these meaningful learning experiences. We're here to make you feel supported on this wild and crazy adventure of raising kids.